Tired of juggling a million tools that don't quite fit? Let's unlock the secrets to scoring killer software deals on Appsumo and transforming your business. First, know your needs. Before you even browse, pinpoint your biggest bottlenecks. What tasks eat up your time? What processes need streamlining? Make a list. This will prevent impulse buys. Next, dive into Appsumo, but use filters wisely. Select categories relevant to your needs and pay close attention to the deal terms. Lifetime deals are tempting, but ensure the features align with your long-term vision. Read the reviews, don't just skim. Look for detailed feedback on usability, customer support, and actual results. Pay attention to both positive and negative comments to get a balanced perspective. Check the roadmap. See if the company is actively developing the software and adding new features. A stagnant product is a red flag. A good roadmap indicates future value. Finally, maximize your investment by actually using the software. Don't let it sit in your digital drawer. Dedicate time to learn it and integrate it into your workflow. That's how you turn a great deal into real business growth. Subscribe for more tips on smart software buying.